Hi, we continue the video about the pacemakers. This is a follow-up where we will have a look at the close-up look at the circuits from the 4 or 5 open pacemakers I have. So we start with the Biotronic one, the angle of the ceramic PCB. We can see we have some kind of number, not sure if it was the serial number of the device or not. We have what seems to be a laser trimmed resistor. Excuse me, it is really delicate. 2 laser trimmed resistors here just in the middle. So I will try to keep the interesting features in the middle of the screen because it is so delicate. I cannot very easily pinpoint with something. Here it is the contact to the battery. You can see it looks like it is spot welded. And also here these legs from the quartz oscillator, crystal oscillator, which seems to be spot welded on these 2 golden pins, two golden points on the circuit board. We have here the reed switch, some ceramic capacitors probably, the coil for remote programming. You can see looks like we have spot welding here for the wires of a coil. In the middle here an army of capacitors. On the other side of the top side of the PCB, the connections to the terminals, to the lead, to the earth, and these 2 things, I do not know what they are. Looks like we have 3 pins below them. Quite weird parts. Okay, so the other side, which is the most interesting, we have the ICs with all the bonding wires. As you can see, small one here, a little bit bigger one here where we can more or less see through the coating. Lots of dust on it, by the way. And the bigger, probably main processor unit here. You can see all the bonding wire seems to be ruined, or maybe not. There is a model number here written. I will try to zoom in for you on this. Wood Rev 181, and here we have something else written. It looks like it is copyright something Biotronic 1995 or 1986 Biotronic. Lots of complicated patterns in this, and here, so the integrated circuits experts will be maybe able to guess what these patterns may be. Quite interesting. It is nice, the coating is a little bit clear so we can see inside. So next we have some little devices here, very dark. They might be, yes, probably laser trimmed resistors. Here also these things on the ceramic plates, small carbon resistors with a laser trim inside. Diode or transistor here at the left side. And more of these features. Look, here maybe we can see better. It is really not easy. It looks like we have something written in it here also. But it is so much dark I will not be able to. So let me try to completely mess up my focus with a USB camera and compensate in here. And try to. Oh no, not the correct way. This thing is really delicate to manipulate, by the way. We have a better level of zoom here. Magnification. Now I need to adjust this. It is really insanely fiddly to adjust. You have to keep the PCB at an angle in order to have some light shining from through the thing. Yes, it is really, but you can see, we can see definitively it must be yes, laser trim resistors. Quite interesting. Okay, so let me rearrange my focus. Maybe it should be nice to have autofocus on this thing, but I think it is not going to happen with 30 euros USB microscope. Another weird thing here. No shortage of gold in this pacemaker, by the way. You can see all the tracks are gold. Very impressive. Okay, I guess it will be all for this one, and we will go to the other one. Let me find a beautiful view for you if you want to make a computer screen background. This one maybe. Okay, so now we go to the next one. Okay, next one is the big square Vitatron medical pacemaker inside with a big golden hybrid in it, which is right here. Remember the green hybrid. So we add two ICs on it. I will try to focus on each one. It is written something here. As you can see, VIP 41E, and probably a very low integration level here on this IC. Very simple patterns. There is the second IC here. It is written on the right bottom right corner VIP 4.2. I try to focus better, but it is very delicate. VIP 4.2 here. The bonding wire seems to be silver gold here, silver material at least, not gold. Some probably a transistor here, and just the bonding wires going to the case pins. Yes, and we have in fact nothing else in this hybrid. Other side, the I need to readjust my focus. The big network of resistors, laser trimmed resistors, as you can see. There is some kind of a label here, with a model number or something, and it is all in fact just laser trim resistors. We also have, of course, the read contacts. This one had two, the other one is here in the other direction. It is interesting. I did not notice it without the microscope, as you can see. This one is horizontally mounted, and this one is vertically mounted, if I can say it. Apart from that, nothing else on this one, but this thing is really beautiful. I was happy when I did open this and discover this. A little bit of dust here from the opening action maybe. But this is nice. Okay, next one. So we continue with the guts of the Cordis Stanicore pacemaker. I said in the previous video we had a 2 layers hybrid, and yes, I was able to separate the 2 layers with my hot air station. So here is the top one. We have this weird piece which seems to be spot welded on this side. Maybe it may be a total ohm capacitor, more carbon track resistors with laser trimming, as you can see, and a few little dies of diodes and transistors. Here they are. So it was a good idea to separate the 2 layers, because the other layer, the bottom one, had ICs under the hidden. So 4 laser trim marks here on this resistor, one more diode, first IC, very low level of integration probably. Second one, in this one we have something written, it seems. So let's try to zoom in like crazy. I need to redo the focus, and will we have, excuse me for the fuzziness here, will we have something? Where is it? Where is it? It is not easy. No, the depth of field is very low. It is here. Yes, it is written BL8003Y and 6A in the little and look, it seems we have an Easter egg on this one. Can you see on the middle, on the top side, there is the track doing a corner shape here, and there I see like a little diode or something like this. We have how to show you, it is really right, it went away, of course. Where is it? Where we are we? Where are we? Yes. So here, just in the middle of the screen now, for you. It looks like we have a little feature. Let me try to refocus. Yes, it is right in the middle of the screen. Looks like a little diode. Interesting. It is in the corner of a track doing a big U shape, continuing to the top and to the bottom. Interesting. So it is not on because we had another hybrid in this one. So let me try to refocus it properly. Here we are. So this one was the hybrid with 8 legs. So we have another IC here. Of the bottom right corner, some kind of transistor. And here one more laser trimmed resistor with on its own little ceramic board. It is interesting. And it is all for this thing. Here we have what seems to be a capacitor inside a glass tube, like a surface mount capacitor but mounted into a glass tube. Interesting. Okay, so it will be all for this one. We go to the next. Where is my mouse? Next one is the Vitatron Medical one, Sapphire model, multi-sensor. I do not know where are the sensors, by the way. Well, we have one in the case, but there's nothing much really to see. So the IC here, in fact, we can just look at the components because there is not much to see. Just surface mount parts, reed switch, quartz oscillator, little hoverboard with more capacitors. All the important stuff on the rear side, but the so we have more of laser trimmed resistors, but all the interesting stuff is inside here. So sadly there is nothing to see in this one, just a block of black epoxy. Quite sad because it seems we have quite a lot of stuff under this, but at least we can have a look at what must be one of the sensors. It is in the stuck in the inside the case. We add 2 wires going to this thing. Looks like a piezo transducer or something like so. Quite interesting. And we have handwritten numbers inside the cover. It is number 7 here also, where I did cut the case. So this I do not know what it is. Interesting. Okay, the last one will be the one I did break in the hybrid in parts, the East German made Tour LCP 201 pacemaker, and I think this one will have some interesting stuff. My mouse again, please. No, this one. Okay, so the last part of this video will be about this. Why I need to turn my camera? Okay, like so. So about this East German made hybrid. So again, laser trim resistors. Here we have what may be the manufacturer name with model number or something. And on this side, in fact, we have nothing except these weird parts again. Two of them, ceramic surface mount parts. But if we flip it on the other side, we have all the fancy parts. So you can see a lot of golden tracks and IC and the diodes dies. Here is the spot for the missing integrated circuit. You can see they did bridge here with bond wires, some of the pins together to compensate for the lack of the circuit maybe. And we have a number of these diodes and transistors, broken one here by the way. This one has a broken bonding wire, so I did make quite a few damage, but this glue on the side was really hard. So you can see more transistors here, and the remains of the other side are exactly the same stuff. The other side is shattered in parts, but we have more of the same stuff, as you can see. Very nice golden tracks on this thing, by the way. Quite impressive. And I can count a number of transistors. Again, more of them here. Ah, look this. This is interesting. You can see the transistor, the diode in the bottom middle. We have a bridge, a track making a bridge over other tracks. Here and here also, by the way. Quite impressive. What else? So all the bits I have here are exactly the same stuff. Nothing special. Here this one again. So this ceramic was very thin and it did really shatter in parts, but at least this side is quite good, and I will keep every bit anyway, as at least there is gold. Look here, really a multi-layer process. The manufacturing process for this must be quite specific, interesting. You have to make the deposit of gold tracks, then the insulating mask and another layer of tracks. Quite impressive, this thing. It is really beautiful inside. Okay, so this may no, we have a broken thing here also, but yes, maybe this will be your computer screen background. So thanks for watching, bye bye.